Hello all, what are your weekend plans? If at all you are in Bangalore, please ensure coming to Lalbagh because there is a organic mela that's happening. Savayava Habba in Kannada it is, and 10 to 6 both the days you can find good organic produce there, be it organic vegetables, fruits, grains, millets, and lots of brands may also be coming there. This is the first time I am attending, and we got a place there. Tots and Moms is also being a part of this organic hubba. All our products are USDA organic certified, and hence we were allowed to keep a stall there. You can come and check out our food product ranging from cereals for babies, porridges, nutrient boosters like dry fruit powder, etc. And for younger children, you can check our snacks like millet and jaggery cookies, drink mixes, pancake mixes. All these will be available there, and you can try our cookies there, you can taste them. And also, if you are worried, maybe you wanted to try this product but you are worried if I bring a bigger pack and my child may like it or not, we are giving away free trial packs, so you can ask for it as well when you come over. Do come with your friends and family because it is going to be a very eventful day and your kids will have fun in Lalbagh. See you then. Bye.